guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining in today. We are currently filming episode 2 of our renovation series. This one is the fun one where we begin the installation of the pool. So the crew from My Fiberglass Pools have just arrived, and as you can see behind me, the blue lines on the ground there, that's the placement of the pool. Yesterday we had the crew from BW Landscaping come and finish the installation of the fence, so that's all ready to go. So I'm going to film the process. So guys, just a quick update on our backyard. You can see there that the hole has been dug, or it's nearly finished. I just have a little bit more to do. We can see up this end of the yard there is a lot of fill, so we're actually retaining this part of the yard, so we need some fill left there to level out the ground, so they're keeping some of that there, and then the rest of that they're actually taking. So the truck has arrived and they're currently loading all of this up to take it away and dump it. Day 2 of this pool installation's about to kick off, but before it does, I thought I'd give you a little bit of an update on where everything is at. So you can see here the pool hole is dug and ready for the shell installation. I think there's a few prep things they obviously need to do first before that happens, which is happening today. We had Sil from Silly's Electrical come and install the earthing. So we need earthing for the pool, but we also need earthing for the pool fence. Yesterday they delivered all the base for the pool, so that'll go in as part of the pool prep. The puppies are loving it. Daisy's loving digging in it. Morning guys, it is now day 4 of pool installation day. Don't mind this little chunk, he's just woken up, so he, oh wow, he's proud of himself. But yes, so day 4 of pool installation day, and they have been just doing some leveling yesterday and filling like the sides of the pool. And they started to put some water in there, so that was exciting to see. It's been just over a week since the beginning of our pool installation, and and they've came and given the pool a bit of a clean. So there's like a lot of debris that gets in the pool from when they backfill it, and also the water itself that comes from the fire hydrant isn't that clear. So they've done a good clean. There's still some stuff on the bottom that just that falls to the bottom after they put something in to help clear the water, but they will come back and do another clean of the pool just before we do our handover. Today and tomorrow they're going to do some finishing touches, so they've got to do concrete beam around the pool, and they've also got to do the pool coping, so that'll be tomorrow, and I'm expecting those pavers to arrive shortly.